Yeah. Oh.
Wait, cut it.
Ayush and Anviku do it. Hey people, so this is a very special moment for me because being a rabbit parent has been, I've seen all the rainbow of emotions, and so this is to celebrate the birth of these, my little superstars who arrived on March 18th. So they are Piscean little and very soft babies. They are like very, one of them has they just opened their eyes today. Take out the tissue. Okay, and correct. This is because so this is truly people. It's been such a, and this is actually almost the theory of marginal utility, which says in economics that human nature is such that when something is okay, it's not.